Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, That Networking Guy. Today we'll be going over problem number 6 of LeetCode, Zigzag Conversion. The problem goes like this. You're given a string in zigzag pattern and you have to write it in the number of rows given. So say the string is S and you give a number of rows is 3. You have to write the string in using 3 rows like P, A, Y, like you go down vertically, then go back up and then down vertically. Once you do that, you have to read the string row by row, which is in this case PAHN, APLSIIG, YIR, and display that as an output in this format. So let's get into it. First, we'll take care of an edge case. Let's check if number rows equal to 1. Then we just return the string itself. Now let's build a string builder to store our return value, and let's call it get. New string builder. We have a value int n equal to store the length of the string that is given to us. Now we need some kind of pattern in this string. So if you see, we have to read PAHN. So after P, it takes three more letters to get to A. So basically, the fourth letter is the one that we need. So after A, the fourth letter is H. After H, the fourth is N. So that's what we need. So basically, the cycle, if you see, is 4. And we have to somehow tie it to the number of rows, which is so it's given 3. So we need some kind of cycle. So this cycle then will be equal to 2 into number rows minus 2. So in this case, it's going to be 2 into 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. That's what we get. And the same thing if you do here. You're going to get, say, 2 into 4 is 8 and minus 2 is 6. So after P, the next I is after 5 characters, and that's 6 jumps total. Now we get into our for loop to iterate over every row. So we need nested for loop for that. Numbers plus for int j equal to 0, j plus I is less than n, and then j plus equal to, since we want to iterate to cycle length, we'll increment j by cycle length. Now we do a red.append s.char at j plus I. Perfect. So we're going at every row and we increment j by cycle length, so we get letters that we want. So in this case, it's something like we get P, then we get A, then we get H, and again that's what we need from the first row. I'll explain all this later. Now the tricky part is here, when say the second row, or like in fact any of the middle rows except the first and last row. So how do you get? So in this case, after A you get L, but what about P? So let's take care of that case. Here, if I is not equal to 0 and I is not equal to num rows minus 1, and j plus cycle length minus I is less than n. In that case, we can do red.append s.char at this exact thing, j plus cycle length minus I, and then we just return red to string. So many typos. that's it. Cycle in is equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4 in this case. Let me quickly explain you the problem. And then we have this here. So when I is 0, j is 0, we get p. When j becomes 4, and j is 4, we use this again. J plus I is nothing but fourth element, which is 8. Then we get to 8, we get 12 similarly, and then 8 is nothing but h, so we add h and n. Now comes the tricky part where I becomes 1 and we get to this middle row, and here j is still 0, and j plus cycle n minus I will become 3. So now we got to add I plus j and j plus cycle n minus I. So I plus j is nothing but 0 plus 1 is 1, which is a. We add a again, and j plus cycle n minus I is 3. So what's our 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3? That's a p. So we have p again. Now we go down, j becomes 4 and this one becomes 7. Now we add fourth element, which is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's an a. Oh, sorry, my bad. P. After p, it's p. So now we add the fourth j plus I. So j plus I is 5. So we add the fifth element, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a L. And then we add the seventh element, which is S. Yes. And similarly, once this loop is over, you get the whole string. And let's try to run it. Okay. There's an error. Let's fix it. And actually put it outside the loop and should be inside the loop. So it should be here. Okay, let's run the code. Perfect. Let's submit. And there you go. If you probably run it one more time or two more times, you probably get 4 milliseconds or even lesser. That beats 95 or 93% of solutions. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and share my channel.